So last night we decided to take the kids. We didn't decide to take the kids out. Tiff decided to take the kids out, and she's like, "Oh yeah, just come up here," and she's giving me directions. I was like, "Oh okay, this must be a back way or something." No, it was the normal way. Go straight to Culver's. So we're hanging out there, and I got a phone call from Timmy talking about some other stuff. It turns out he was like right down the street. So they came down to visit with us last night, and spent the night last night. They were our first house guests. So let's see how they liked it. Well, Timmy, Alice?
It was good.
Yeah?
It was good. The sucker fish on the bottom were quite interesting. But besides that, it was good.
Yeah?
Rocking to sleep and everything.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What did you think?
Well, I think it was nice in general. But I think it would be better if Timmy didn't punch me in the face in the middle of the night.
Hey, I was sleeping. Don't be calling the police on me.
Yeah, I like it. It's nice.
That's awesome. Well, we were glad to have you guys, and we actually got up a little bit ago and went up to kids and the dogs to the potty and caught some fish already. We threw them back, but we've got a little, I think it's a bass tournament going on this weekend at the lake. So we've had a bunch of bass boats coming in and out and trying to catch the big one. So we're gonna run around and take care of some stuff. We're gonna pack up and head home today. So it's the worst day of the trip, but that's okay. We'll get over it. And so, in a moment's time, our plans have changed. No things were getting fixed or projects completed. Instead, today will be a day for another kind of work. Building bonds, making memories, and sharing our blessings. Life's funny like that. You have this grand plan and something changes it. It's times like these we can choose to concentrate on the work that needs done or the projects that will have to wait once again. Or we can choose to focus on the good things. There will always be another project to do or repair that's long overdue. It's not that we should abandon our responsibilities, but rather be flexible. Understand, it's just another thing. Allow your eyes to see the blessings, the tasks that have been completed, the progress made so far, or how your children are forging bonds with their family that will be cherished for a lifetime. Doubles. Let's see it, Davey.
Let's see who's is bigger.
Oh, you better catch him. Oh, you better get him quick.
There you go.
Oh, you better get him quick.
All right, let me see him.
Oh, you better get him quick. Better get him quick.
He just stabs me the whole time. That's all he does.
All right. Oh, the left hand. Look at the. Hold on. Look at the tail.
Same size.
They're literally almost identical.
Seriously. Squish, Davey, squish the tails together. Yeah, they're pretty.
All right, exactly a tie game.
All
Good
right.
job, guys. High five.
High five.
High five each other. Ha ha ha. Got him. An endless parade of boats to watch, and 1,000 eager fish just waiting to be caught. It makes our leaving more bitter than sweet. But as we adjust our perspectives once again, it brings it back into focus. Suddenly, we realize, without the bitterness, we could not fully appreciate the sweetness in our lives. And as the rain begins to fall and the summer draws to an end, so our time this trip has come. And as we make our way home, we're reminded of God's blessing, even in life's storms.